let's talk about the Norwex personal care line. This is going to be life-changing for you. It's a much larger line than what I have time to show you today, but I wanted just to introduce you to a few of them. First of all, let's talk about our bath microfiber. This has the backlock technology, so the microsilver embedded, so you don't need to launder them as often as you would traditional towels. And I don't know about you guys, but I do not miss the piles and piles and piles of traditional towels. I love that these are thin, so they don't take up a ton of cupboard space, but they are large. So you can literally wrap in them. They dry you super fast. They will keep you warmer because your skin isn't as wet coming out of the shower. And again, as they hang to dry, that microsilver in those fibers goes to work at self-purifying the towel. Comes in several different colors, which we love because then we're able to color code in our home. Also, who hates the stinky, sour towel syndrome? I know that we certainly did, and so the hand towels have been game changers as well. We really like the hand towels that match the bath towels, or you can also do the chenille hand towel. And what's cool about this is that it actually does fasten over the towel rack, or if you're using it, some people use it in the kitchen as well, to put like over the oven handle or something, see? And then that goes right through there. So that's our chenille hand towel. You can get those in a variety of colors. The body packs are super popular, one of our top sellers, and for good reason. We use these to clean our face, and it takes off all the makeup and leaves your face truly, truly clean. You can also use them on your body, but they are fabulous. You clean your face with just water. They come 3 to a pack, so that you can launder them every 2 to 3 days is usually what I recommend for most people, especially if you have a little bit oilier skin. And along the same lines of the body cloths are these really super cute facial pads to remove makeup and to really use in place of cotton balls. And so you get 5 to a pack. One has the suede-like smooth side, and then one has the body cloth side. So you can use the smooth side to remove eye makeup and then cleanse the rest of your face with that. Great for travel. They come right with the little laundry bag if you want as well. And along those same lines is the facial Mitt, and this has a makeup removal side, so first remove your makeup, and then we do know that exfoliating our skin every once in a while is healthy, right? So it does have an exfoliating side as well to take off all the dead skin cells. And so that's our facial Mitt. And kind of along the same lines, for the kiddos, they have this fun Mitt, and they've got a whole kids line, but this one I just thought I would throw in to kind of introduce you to that. Then we have the body scrub Mitt. I know this sounds crazy, but you can actually clean your body without soap, because if you've watched our cleaning microfiber in action, you know that it removes everything. So when you clean your body with that, you just get this wet with water. You've got your cleansing side, but you also have an exfoliating side. So, you know, feet, knees, under your arms, it's great for exfoliation. And likewise, we do have a back scrubber, same 2 sides. Okay, so now, oh goodness, I have to tell you about the Pear Wrap. This is one of my favorites. If you have longer hair, honestly short hair too, but this works great. You put the button in the back of your head, drop all of your hair down into it, and then turn, and then it'll hook on the button on the back. So it really has shortened the dry time for my hair personally, whether you have straight hair, curly hair, doesn't matter. This is very popular. We also have personal care skincare line, and this happens to be our serum, but it's really important to put safe products on your skin, and so be sure to check out our skincare line. We have a body line, and this happens to be our body balm. I love it because you know how the backs of your hands can get dry, but you don't want the fronts of your hands greasy while you're working. This I can actually just put on the back of my hands, on my elbows, wherever you need it, and I think you'll love that as well. A hidden gem in our catalog is the Rescue Gel, and this has some natural pain relieving ingredients like arnica in them. So we have people who use it for their neck, maybe if they feel a headache coming on, some people find it helpful for that. Aches and pains, my kids, when they have a sore knee, we put this on. We also have found it good on bug bites actually. So those are a few, and then it's important that your hand soap be healthy and safe. We wash our hands a lot of times during the day, and we love the Norwex hand soap. You can then buy a big refill just to refill this. And last but not least, we've got our foot stone, which is a great pumice stone for your foot, but let me talk to you about one of my very, very favorite products, our Norwex toothbrush. So it has a silver base, so very much like that micro silver that's embedded in our cloth, this toothbrush is also able to self-purify between uses as it dries. And I could go on and on about this product, but I highly recommend that you try it because I think you'll find your mouth feels amazing and clean, clean, clean. So, and this is not exactly personal care, but I thought it was worth mentioning. Norwex has pillowcases with the micro silver embedded, and they are the very, very soft satiny material. So that is better for, that is better for your hair so that it's not pulled during the night as much. So I just wanted you guys to see pretty logo, and those are great. Also, if you know someone who might be prone to skin breakouts, it's helpful to make sure that the pillowcase stays cleaner in that way. So hopefully this has been a helpful little intro to the personal care side of Norwex, and I hope that you give some of these products a try. We have so many great products. So check it out, and be sure to check out my blog, replacechemicals.com, or reach out to me. I'd love to connect with you.